Hey, do you know what is the study of groundwater? What is the study of rainfall? What is hymnography? What is iconography? What is idiomology? To know about different branches of science, please keep watching this video till the end. Before we go in,
please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
Hi friends, good day. Today, let us try to understand about different branches of sciences. Horticulture, study of gardening. Horticulture, study of gardening. Hydrobiology, study of aquatic organisms. Hydrobiology, study of aquatic organisms. Hydrodynamics, study of movement in liquids. Hydrodynamics, study of movement in liquids. Hydrogeology, study of groundwater. Hydrogeology, study of groundwater. Hydrography, study of investigating bodies of water. Hydrography, study of investigating bodies of water. Hydrokinetics, study of motion of fluids. Hydrokinetics, study of motion of fluids. Hydrology, study of water resources. Hydrology, study of water resources. Hydrometeorology, study of atmospheric moisture. Hydrometeorology, study of atmospheric moisture. Hydropathy, study of treating diseases with water. Hydropathy, study of treating diseases with water. Hyetology, science of rainfall. Hyetology, science of rainfall. Hygiastics, science of health and hygiene. Hygiastics, science of health and hygiene. Hygienics, study of sanitation, health. Hygienics, study of sanitation, health. Hydrology, study of cleanliness. Hydrology, study of cleanliness. Hygrology, study of humidity. Hygrology, study of humidity. Hygrometry, science of humidity. Hygrometry, science of humidity. Can you recall the words we discussed? Horticulture. Hydrography. Hydrometeorology. Science of rainfall. Study of sanitation, health. Study of humidity. Few more branches of sciences. Hymnography, study of writing hymns. Hymnography, study of writing hymns. Hymnology, study of hymns. Hymnology, study of hymns. Hypnology, study of sleep, study of hypnosis. Hypnology, study of sleep, study of hypnosis. Hypsography, science of measuring heights. Hypsography, science of measuring heights. Hematology, study of remedies. Hematology, study of remedies. Iatrology, study of medicine. Iatrology, study of medicine. Iatromathematics, archaic practice of medicine in conjunction with astrology. Iatromathematics, archaic practice of medicine in conjunction with astrology. Iconography, art of drawing ground plans, a ground plan. Iconography, art of drawing ground plans, a ground plan. Ichnology, science of fossilized footprints. Ichnology, science of fossilized footprints. Ichthyology, study of fish. Ichthyology, study of fish. Iconography, study of drawing symbols. Iconography, study of drawing symbols. Iconology, study of icons, symbols. Iconology, study of icons, symbols. Ideogeny, study of origins of ideas. Ideogeny, study of origins of ideas. Ideology, science of ideas, system of ideas used to justify behavior. Ideology, science of ideas, system of ideas used to justify behavior. Idiomology, study of idiom, jargon or dialect. Idiomology, study of idiom, jargon or dialect. Can you recall the words we discussed? Hymnography, hypsography, Hyetology, science of fossilized footprints. Study of drawing symbols. Study of idiom. If any of your answer is wrong, please visit the video again. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.